Hello everyone. Now, almost everyone use the internet for various fields such as school, play, or work. Yes, to access and play on mobile phone, you definitely need smooth internet. Did you know 5G? Yes, this 5G is the latest network. Of course, this network is very smooth for those who use it. Internet for everyday life. Behind this positive thing, how many years ago were scattered dead bird and duck sheltering from 5G radiation? Is 5G that dangerous? Let's discuss its history. The internet, the internet started in 1969, and at that time, the internet was just a computer network created by RPA. Well, I turned out the internet that has development until now start from military need. This technology continued to development in 1917 after scientists Robert Hahn and Vincent Cerf developed the Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol TCP or EP. Its message to small packet which are then rearranged when received on another computer. January 1, 1983 was the beginning of the development of the modern internet. 5G network technology is a cellular network that provides 10 to 20 times faster data download and upload speeds. However, there are advantages and disadvantages to this 5G network. Access 5G. Point A, much better transmission speed when compared to the technology used by LTE and WCDMA, which support frequency up to below 6 GHz. 5G NR is able to support frequency up to 100 GHz. Point 2. Uh, Point 2. Winter connection. In discussing the advantage and disadvantage of 5G network, even though both news of freedom 5G networks are able to offer advantage over 5G LTE. Number like almost no delay and energy saving 5G network just to after higher data transfer speed and energy saving. Uh, Continue lack of 5G. Point A, minim penetration. One of the drawback of 5G technology is that the penetration power is still very minimum or arguably low. Point B, full radio frequency. Regarding the advantage and disadvantage of 5G network, the use of radio frequency which are currently very this become a separate obstacle in the new 5G technology. Point C, security and privacy. Several study conducted by the University of Leuven and the University of Dutch conclude that 5G technology will have security problems. We can conclude that a 5G is very useful for our life. Do you know the answer to the incident of that bird? Of that bird? Yes, of course. The incident is a big hoax from the Ministry of the Communication and Information explained that the incident was not caused by 5G radiation. The internet has now become a necessity of life that cannot be left behind. Someone might think of being able to stay connected to the internet instead of having to live without the internet, and now a lot of new about the danger of the internet for our life. Then what? in the internet in the world student dissipate report of the various uh, report from various schools. Here are predictions from experts regarding this condition. The impact that is felt is the slowing down of communication and information. This can happen because the internet is the way of information for various people in the world, but the internet is gone. Various aspects of life are experiencing setback, lack of food accessibility, and many social problems. One of them is crashing the crime rate caused by a large number of unemployed and hungry people due to the global economic crisis and many more impact of the loss of the internet on our earth. The conclusion of the discussing is that dangerous. Uh, the conclusion of the discussion is that the internet is our good friend who is very helpful. Therefore, we must use it wisely and not actually very advantage as a risk. I think this internet is very useful for us. We can overcome the negative impact of the internet starting from ourselves. There is a lot of information that is spread over on the internet. Use the while of can that all from me. More less sorry. Introduce my name is Rasya Aditya from PPLG. For thank you very much.